How bike share works. To enjoy the bike share program, be sure to download the bike share app and create an account. Once the app is installed, it will prompt you to join system. Type in Perth Amboy and select it from the list. Once your registration is approved, the app will show an available bikes button at the bottom of the screen. To check out a bike, go to Bike Station and within the app, press Available Bikes. Press Ride for the bike you want to use. The app will unlock the bike from the rack. The bike lock will beep when it unlocks. You have 7 seconds to remove the bike from the rack. Inspect the bike prior to each ride. Use the Report a Problem button if the bike needs service. To return a bike, roll the bike up to the rack and secure the lock to the rack pin. Pull back on the bike to confirm it is secured to the rack. Note, your ride will end automatically in the system the next time you or another rider search for an available bike from the main screen.